In one of the most highly anticipated matchups in an in-state rivalry in Ball State University men's basketball history, we sit in Notre Dame. Person trots ahead against Pfluger, throws up a floater, it swishes home. Gives to Kiapway, straightaway three-pointer, rises and hits. Right wing, 2 seconds to shoot, has to get a shot up. Fades away, throws up the shot, bounces off the back iron. Sellers the rebound, fakes a shot, lays it up on the backboard and in. Kyle Mallers, 1 second to shoot, backs over, right elbow shot, swirls in. He trots toward half court. Kyle Mallers, a buzzer beater at the end of the first half. After 20 minutes of basketball, Ball State has a 5-point lead, 34-29 on the 9th-ranked team in the country, Notre Dame, at the Joyce Center. Parsons a rebound for Ball State, gives to Elamine, transition, lays it up and in. Throws it back for Sean Sellers, back to Mallers, left wing three-pointer, swishes it in. Ball State holds with the final shot. This crowd is raucous at the Joyce Center. Ball State can win it with one shot. Taylor Persons the basketball, backs down the rest of the defense. Persons, double team. Persons drives, he shoots. Right wing three-pointer and buries it home. Taylor Persons gives Ball State a 3-point lead with 1 second left. Ball State, with one of the biggest upsets in program history, has beaten the number 9th ranked team in the country, Notre Dame, 80-77.